Hey guys, it's your girl Bree and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another Boxycharm unboxing. This is December's box and the theme is Gift of Glam. Also, if you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Bree Marie, where I like to do makeup tutorials, makeup reviews, Boxycharm unboxing, and all things beauty. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, show your girl some love. And if you guys are interested in learning what products I got in this month's box, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, this is another Boxycharm video. This is for December's box and the theme is Gift of Glam. This is what it looks like. Super cute. The first item I'm going to talk about is from Algae. This is their Triple Algae Eye Renewal Balm. This is what it looks like. Pretty much it's just something to help you with your dark circles, and I actually have it under my makeup today. And it's a very like creamy, soft consistency. It doesn't really have a scent to it, and pretty much it's just gonna help with your dark circles as well as bags, puffiness, lines, wrinkles, and crow's feet, supposedly with just 10 days. And yeah, it has hyaluronic acid and green algae, and it's supposed to help with skin luminosity. And this retails for $68, this little jar. So I did like it. I used it today and it was very smooth. It's very soft and I like the way it has my under eyes looking. So yes, I like that. The next item in the box is this mud mask. This is Mud Masky Mineral Infused Double Cleansing Mask. Deep cleansing, pore refining, restoring, nourishing, and hydrating. This is a fragrance-free cleansing mask infused with minerals and helps detoxify and deep clean your face before bedtime. And it pretty much is made of Moroccan lava clay, and it helps with skin's pH levels, redness, and preventing acne. And this is what it looks like. Doesn't really have a scent to it. Yeah, it doesn't really have a scent to it. I have to use this one, get back to you guys on this. And this is for $59. If you guys hear like the leaf blowing in the background, I'm sorry. I'm trying to do this like before they get any closer. The next item in the box is from Blink. This is their Ultra Volume Tubing Mascara. This is what it looks like, a clean vegan formula, and it's very long wearing, buildable, and gives a false lash effect. And I actually used it today and I really enjoyed it. This is what this spoolie looks like. You can really get in there with your lashes. I really enjoyed it. I have really no complaints about it. I don't know if it transfers yet, but I'll let you guys know if it does or if I change my mind about it. Anyways, this retails for $26, so I would say that's pretty average for a mascara. And moving on to the next item in the box, which is from Sophia and Mabel. It's a satin powder highlight. This is pretty much buildable and it's a blinding glow to apply, and it glides on the skin, a satin finish, buildable coverage like I said throughout the day. Peach Sangria is a shimmer copper with gold and light peach tones. This is what it looks like. And then just open it up. Oh shoot. Open it up. And this is what she looks like. Go ahead and swatch it for you guys. It does feel very smooth. I would probably use this as a blush topper. Let's see, and it does blend very well like it says. But I don't know if you guys can see, it's right here. It's always hard for me to swatch this stuff. I suck at it. But that's what it looks like. It is very smooth and it blends very nicely. And this little thing retails for $22. And the last item in the box is from Seraphine Botanicals. It is a Luna liner. It's water resistant and it's pretty much just a liquid liner. I haven't used it yet, but it is waterproof, so it's gonna last all day. It's a vegan, fade-proof, water-resistant liquid liner that is an intense black color with ultra definition. The micro brush glides smoothly and dispenses the right amount of liquid as you apply. So you're able to pretty much like give a very precise line. I swatched it earlier, I'll swatch it again for you guys on my actual hand. pretty dark. I don't know if you can see that. That's what it looks like. And yeah, it's waterproof and it's black and it's $18. So pretty much let's go ahead and do my calculations like I always do. 68, 59, 26, 22, and 18. So this box, December's box is worth $193, almost $200, and your girl only paid $25. That's a pretty good steal. I wasn't super impressed with this box, to be honest. I was just like, oh, okay, like a little bit of skincare, liquid liner, mascara. I wasn't too excited about it, so that was kind of a bummer because it is the December box, so I thought it was gonna be a little bit more exciting, but it is what it is. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please give your girl a huge thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below if you guys had a favorite product, and thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.